Make 2 to 50 day with online typing jobs. Make money online 2023. Dive into the world of online typing jobs and discover a pathway to making 250 day from the comfort of your home. Number 1. Research and choose legitimate platforms. Researching and choosing legitimate platforms for online typing jobs is a crucial step to ensure a positive and secure experience. Start by looking for reviews and testimonials from people who have worked on the platform. Genuine feedback from users can provide insights into the legitimacy of the platform, payment reliability, and overall user satisfaction. Pay attention to both positive and negative reviews to make an informed decision. Legitimate platforms often showcase payment proof on their websites or forums. This evidence demonstrates that real people have received payments for their work. Be cautious if a platform lacks transparency regarding payments or if users report issues with receiving their earnings. Investigate the background of the company or website offering the typing jobs. Look for information about its founding, years in operation, and any notable achievements. Verify the provided contact information such as email addresses, phone numbers, or customer support channels. Avoid platforms that only offer vague contact details or lack responsive customer support, as this could indicate potential issues. Additionally, watch out for promises of unrealistically high earnings with little effort, as these can be indicative of scams. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for this channel. Let's continue. Number 2. Develop typing skills. Typing speed and accuracy are fundamental aspects of online typing jobs. To enhance speed, practice regularly using typing software or online platforms that offer exercises and tests. Accuracy is equally important, so focus on minimizing errors while maintaining a consistent pace. Numerous online resources are designed to help you improve your typing skills. Websites and applications offer typing lessons, drills, and games that make the learning process engaging. These resources often track your progress, providing insights into areas where you can improve. Tailor your practice sessions to mimic the requirements of online typing jobs. For example, if a particular job emphasizes numeric data entry, focus on exercises that involve numerical typing. Customizing your practice allows you to address specific challenges you may encounter in your chosen online typing niche, making you more proficient in handling the tasks at hand. Like any skill, consistent practice is key to improvement. Consistency helps reinforce muscle memory, allowing you to type effortlessly and accurately over time. In the competitive landscape of online typing jobs, having superior typing skills sets you apart from other freelancers. Employers often prioritize people who can deliver quality work quickly. Your ability to type at an above-average speed and with high accuracy gives you a competitive advantage, making it more likely for you to secure well-paying projects. Number 3. Understand payment structures. This is crucial when embarking on online typing jobs to ensure transparency, fair compensation, and financial growth. The payment structure dictates how you, as a typist, will be rewarded for your efforts. Here's an extensive explanation of payment structures in the context of making 250 a day with online typing jobs. Per word. Payment. In per word. Payment structures. You are compensated based on the number of words you type. Clients or platforms may set a specific rate for each word, and your earnings increase as you type more words. This structure rewards efficiency and encourages typists to improve their typing speed and accuracy. As you become more proficient, you can earn more within the same time frame, making it a scalable model for income growth. Per project payment. With per project payment, you receive a fixed amount for completing an entire typing project. The project could be a set of articles, data entry tasks, or any other typing-related assignment. This structure provides a clear understanding of the compensation for each task, allowing you to plan your time and effort accordingly. Successfully completing projects within the specified time frame can lead to a steady income stream. Some platforms may pay weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Knowing the payment frequency helps you plan your finances. Number 4, time management and consistency. Creating a consistent schedule is crucial for effective time management. Allocate specific blocks of time each day dedicated solely to your online typing jobs. This helps in setting a routine, making it easier to stay focused and productive during designated work hours. Consider factors such as your peak productivity times and potential distractions when planning your schedule. Break down your typing tasks into smaller, manageable chunks and prioritize them based on deadlines and importance. By organizing your workload, you can tackle high-priority tasks first, ensuring that essential work is completed efficiently. This approach also prevents procrastination and helps you maintain a steady workflow. Establish achievable daily or weekly goals for your typing work. Setting realistic targets provides a clear roadmap for your progress and allows you to measure your success. Effective time management leads to increased productivity. Number 5, diversify your skills and explore opportunities. This involves expanding your skill set beyond just typing to explore additional online job opportunities. In the context of making $250 a day with online typing jobs, this strategy can significantly enhance your earning potential and financial growth. Diversification starts with acquiring complementary skills that align with the online job market's demands. For instance, besides typing, you might explore skills such as transcription, data entry, or content creation. Acquiring proficiency in these areas broadens the range of job opportunities available to you. Transcription involves converting spoken language into written text. Many online platforms offer transcription jobs that require a combination of good listening skills and accurate typing. If you have a flair for writing, consider expanding into content creation or copywriting. Many online businesses and websites are in constant need of engaging and informative content. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video right now, subscribe to this channel, and hit that bell button for more tips on personal finance. Check the link below for the playlist on these topics. There are more information you would not want to miss. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.